Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering the question, is Venmo just PayPal? I get this question a lot, and I think it's a really good one. Venmo and PayPal are both popular payment apps, and they both offer a lot of the same features. So, it's natural to wonder if they're really that different. In this video, I'm going to take a closer look at Venmo and PayPal and see how they compare. I'll also talk about some of the pros and cons of each app. So, let's get started. What is Venmo? Venmo is a mobile payment app that allows you to send and receive money from friends and family. You can also use Venmo to pay for goods and services won from businesses. 1. MyBankGeek.com. MyBankGeek.com. Venmo is owned by PayPal, but it's a separate app with its own features and functionality. What is PayPal? PayPal is a more established payment platform that offers a wider range of services than Venmo. PayPal can be used to send and receive money, pay for goods and services, and even make online purchases. PayPal is also available as a website, mobile app, and desktop app. How do Venmo and PayPal compare? Here's a quick overview of how Venmo and PayPal compare. Features: Venmo and PayPal offer a lot of the same features, including the ability to send and receive money, pay for goods and services, and set up recurring payments. However, PayPal offers a wider range of features, such as the ability to create invoices and accept credit card payments. Fees: Venmo and PayPal both charge fees for certain transactions. However, Venmo's fees are generally lower than PayPal's fees. Security: both Venmo and PayPal have strong security measures in place to protect your money. User experience: Venmo and PayPal both have user-friendly interfaces. However, some users find Venmo to be more intuitive and easier to use. Pros and cons of Venmo. Lower fees: Venmo's fees are generally lower than PayPal's fees. Easy to use: Venmo has a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to send and receive money. Social features: Venmo has social features that allow you to share transactions with your friends and family. Limited features: Venmo offers a narrower range of features than PayPal. Not as widely accepted: Venmo is not as widely accepted as PayPal. Pros and cons of PayPal. Wider range of features: PayPal offers a wider range of features than Venmo, such as the ability to create invoices and accept credit card payments. More widely accepted: PayPal is more widely accepted than Venmo. Strong security: PayPal has strong security measures in place to protect your money. Higher fees: PayPal's fees are generally higher than Venmo's fees. Less user-friendly interface: some users find PayPal's interface to be less user-friendly than Venmo's interface. So, is Venmo just PayPal? No, Venmo is not just PayPal. While the two apps are owned by the same company, they offer different features and have different strengths and weaknesses. Which app is right for you? The best app for you will depend on your individual needs and preferences. If you're looking for a simple and easy-to-use app with low fees, Venmo may be a good choice. If you need a more comprehensive app with a wider range of features, PayPal may be a better option. Conclusion: in this video, I've taken a closer look at Venmo and PayPal and seen how they compare. I've also talked about some of the pros and cons of each app. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And with that, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video about Venmo and PayPal. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'll see you next time.